It's also very nice, although we were hoping for a Kuninovan, but still. Today on the 14th of September 2024, here is Taapelikatu 4 here in Lahti, Finland.
Ankkuri.
Ankkuri, yes. It was built in 1997, the number is B1 NE2065. These smart players are 3-5 grams, which of course 102 right?
Good.
Yeah. It was completely impossible to get his
Yeah.
Yeah. Should we wait upstairs?
Yeah.
Okay. It says 96 nonetheless. This is the beginning of 1997.
Yeah. His feedback device that maintained by Otis, so now describe this.
Still novel would have been invented, of course.
Yeah.
But this is still important.
Yeah.
And that you can press it. I like the sounds here.
Same. That's